Alright, what's up everybody? So in this episode, we'll be going over some news that we've been hearing about Giga Berlin. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So lately we've been seeing loads of Model Ys parked outside at Giga Berlin, but the interesting thing was they were all pretty much black or blue. However, seeing these many Model Ys parked outside over and over led to the point where deliveries are expected to happen on March 22nd. As many people have been getting emails saying that their Tesla Model Y will be delivering from Giga Berlin on March 22nd. And are the 4680 cells coming? Unfortunately not. We're still waiting on those. We haven't seen anything about these three new colors that are coming, which are Crimson Red, Abyss Blue, and Mercury Silver. But Tesla is now going to have three factories producing cars. They have the one in Fremont, Giga Shanghai, and Giga Berlin. So that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments down below what updates you guys are expecting to see on the Model Y. But before we end off this episode, hit that red subscribe button because we are extremely close to 700 subscribers. Let's try to get there ASAP. But anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for today's episode. Thanks for watching this episode. Hit the like and subscribe button, turn on the bell so you don't miss out on any new posts, post a comment down below, and catch you in the next one.